y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka the AUDIOZONE, here with another day, another video. Thank you guys always for the support, man. We have a couple builds going on. I already told you in the previous video, I'm working on this one, but Josh is working on this beautiful 2022 Mach E Ford Mustang. He came in because it's not loud enough, so we're definitely gonna make that work better for him. Hold on. This is the E-Mach. I'm sorry, Jay.
It won't let me go any further.
So we got this car all situated. Josh is gonna start removing the radio and getting this car situated. We're doing a 5-channel amp install. Yes, sir. I got your printout right there. So 5-channel amp. Why are you looking like that?
I can't afford to fix this.
Oh God, get out of here, man. Because this is gonna be going in there with a single 8 install. We're actually gonna get this here. Pop, this is a whole new car here. So we're gonna be installing here a 5-channel amplifier to this bad boy here. And we're going to be installing a subwoofer to give him the bass so he can have bass coming out of this vehicle. So this is Josh's project. Josh, think about to start working on this. What you got to say, Josh?
It's a good day at AUDIOZONE.
We got the 4-channel. They got you the 5-channel Nemesis 20. You see it right here? FR 1800 by 5. It's a full range amplifier that gets 1,000 watts RMS of the subwoofer. Josh is already beginning to run the wires on this bad boy. As you could tell, he disassembled the whole front end of this vehicle. Yep, this is what's underneath here. There's a beautiful compartment to store stuff if you wanted to hide something down there, honestly. But he's got it here because the main battery from the vehicle, so we can get this wired up and get this Mach E wired and simpled and do what he has to do. Because Josh pretty soon can start disassembling the radio area, start getting all the high to lows and stuff done for this one, and get the audio built. This one we're also gonna do a custom stripe, and we're also gonna do the calipers in red. And get this car ready for delivery for the customer. So this is kind of what we had in this one. Stay tuned for the rest of the build on the Mach 1. Got everything situated, power wires are ran, fuses are ran. All this is done. Josh is in the part of now buttoning it up, making it all pretty again. But you can see the amplifiers in there. We're doing a single 8. Josh is gonna finish up the wiring, cleaning it up here. Put the plastics in. This should be signed, sealed, delivered to go there. We also did the custom calipers, as you can see there. They used to be gray before. They've just turned them into red with the customer request. And Alright guys, so at the finale of this beautiful Mach E that belongs to Mr. J. Jay, how long have you owned this car?
A month and a half.
What made you buy the Mustang Mach E?
I just wanted a car manufacturer who was doing the electric. I didn't want to go with Tesla for some reason. I felt it was a software company. So I chose the Ford. I liked it. I like the styling. I like the Mustang badge.
He likes the Mustang badge. That's the thing. I would love to get a little hit on there to see how they run, to be honest with you. But he brought it in because he wanted to add some details. He wanted the audio upgraded. We did it with a Nemesis Audio FR Series 1800.5, which gets 1,000 watts RMS in the subwoofers. Gives over 200 watts per speaker inside there. He kept the stock speakers in the car, stock radio, which I'm pretty sure he's going to come and upgrade later on because vocals are always going to be better when you do aftermarket. But right now he's all situated with that. He has the custom stripes installed in the vehicle from the front to the back. We did the whole roof in black also. And we also did the calipers in red for him. So let's go show you the car. Let's go see your babies.
I'm excited.
They can already see it through the glass the whole time y'all been talking.
So they put the stripes that were installed custom from front to back, between the full gloss black top of the vehicle, completely done. We got the custom red calipers, which we're probably going to put when he gets the wheels that he wants to look into, we're probably going to upgrade and put some little badges or some names on there for him to be able to just make it a little bit different from everybody's Mach. But if you see the stripes, they come from front to back, all the way to the top, all the way to the bottom, all the way down the stripes. So my question is, how you seeing the wrap job?
Like it.
You like it? That's what you wanted.
This
That's
is
what
exactly what I wanted.
That's a good thing. So now, did you ever adjust the fallopian tube in this car?
Adjust the fallopian tubes?
Yes.
What is that?
Have you ever spin in this car when you hit the light and it kind of spins a little bit? Never had that problem?
No.
You ever done with a fallopian tube before?
No.
You have any kids?
Yes.
So they came out of fallopian tube.
Yeah. But
So he's done with fallopian tube, he just don't know it. The car don't have one, but you know, everything else done. But you know what, that's all done. Let me walk you through this. You saw these EVs. This is your single 8-inch woofer. Amplifier mounted all the way down here. Down there on the top side, you see her?
oh yes.
So you got a 5-channel amplifier installed, that's your bass. Inside the vehicle, yeah, I can move around. You can take it out if you want to too.
Oh no, I just wanted
You
to
can disconnect it, and take it out.
Stationary.
Yeah, she's not gonna move. I don't think you're not a street racer. But you also got over here, Mr. J.
Oh, that's
You have a bass knob.
I like that.
got this with signed, sealed, delivered. Mr. J, what do you want to tell the camera today?
Well, thank you so much.
Well, thank you.
I'm gonna come in for my wheels next.
Yeah, that's gonna be
what is
definitely
it? I'm just excited to drive it.
No, I know you're gonna
Looking forward to it.
You're gonna
Rolling
enjoy
it
it.
out.
When you get the wheels on the car, though, wheels make a big difference in the car, and I know you're making this your car. Just so you know, we could do ambient lighting too. If you decided to, we could change colors and make it whatever you want. Just so you know, we do all that stuff. Star sealing, all that stuff we can't do. Mr.
Thank
J,
you so
it's been
much,
a privilege and an honor. Any
Appreciate it.
questions, you let me know.
Okay.
Only rules you have is if you're driving the car, you see any smoke or burnt smell from the back, get out the car, call 911, your car's on fire.
Okay.
That's pretty much it, y'all. But we're gonna thank you always for coming in, man. We're gonna thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support. Mustang Mach E, signed, sealed, delivered. Peace.
See? See, he said thank me for watching.